Hi everyone, welcome to the month of August in the Strong Bones Challenge. This month's challenge is posture. And let's start with, good job Ellie, Ellie's showing good posture. Let's start with the mantra, breastbone up. So I don't know about you, but ever since I learned this suggestion to just basically say to myself every time I go for a walk, every time I sit in a chair, breastbone up. Okay? That's your exercise number one. Breastbone up. Next, let's do this. Let's bring the arms up into cactus pose, but go ahead and make a fist and the thumbs will be like hitchhike thumbs, and pull back, pull back. So it's goalpost is another way of thinking this. Pull back and pull your shoulder blades together. Keeping the elbows up and hold. Now, we can get some nice arm work in at the same time as we're working our posture in this exercise. So come in. If you can touch, fine. If not, it doesn't matter. More important, squeeze the shoulder blades and go a little behind yourself there. And let's go. So that was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold here, and now we'll go overhead. So you can relax your hands, lift up, cross at your wrists, and pull down. These are like wall angels, but not at the wall. Elbows go into the rib cage, shoulder blades are squeezing, and lift up. And pull down for 8, 7, 6. I like to alternate which wrist is in front, but it doesn't really matter. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Relax. Shake that out. And my last suggestion is interlaced fingers, head and hands. Now press your skull back into your hands and pull your elbows back and feel your shoulder blades back there as well. Press. Now you can do this while you're sitting in a chair. Maybe you're even sitting watching television or Netflix or listening to somebody talk and you're a little bored, but you can go, and strengthen your upper back. Lift your sternum, and this really also strengthens your neck muscles. Also very key for good posture. Breathe and relax. Let it go. Want to do some neck stretches just to relax that out? Why not? Drop your chin to your chest. Shoulder blades are back and down. Roll your right ear to your right shoulder. Now, bring your chin through center and left ear to left shoulder. And again, I like to think of this as making a smile with your chin. And now go all the way around. Nose towards the ceiling. Chin center, other direction. Breathe, nose to ceiling. Look down. Now look up. Now remember, one of the most important things we can do for posture is to ramp the head back. So lightly take 2 fingers, just lightly touch your chin. It just guides your head back as you ramp your head back. Okay, that's it. That's what I have to share with you. You can do these or any combination of these exercises throughout the course of your day. And there will be other suggestions made by other Strong Bones members, and it's all good. So thanks so much for participating, and I'll see you on Facebook. Thank you.